Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ruksha Vibes. Clickbait title, 2025 G-Wagon 600, the luxury beast you didn't see coming. Fearful face, insane features and first look. Page facing up, YouTube video description. Fire, introducing the all-new 2025 G-Wagon 600, the ultimate combination of power, style, and luxury. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling fortress of modern design and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we take you on an exclusive walkthrough of the 2025 G-Wagon 600, highlighting its bold exterior, next-gen interior, unmatched performance, and smart features that make it stand out from every other luxury SUV in the game. From the roaring engine to the ambient interior lights, you're going to fall in love with every inch of this vehicle. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just love premium rides, this is a must-watch. Right finger, don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment, speech balloon, and subscribe bell for more high-end car reveals, reviews, and test drives. Round pushpin chapters. 0-100 intro. 112 exterior design. 325 interior features. 610 engine and performance. 845 tech and safety. 1030 final thoughts. Speech balloon, comment below. What's your favorite feature of the 2025 G-Wagon 600? Magnifying glass 50 YouTube search keywords. 2025 G-Wagon 600, G-Wagon 600 review, 2025 luxury SUV, new G-Wagon 2025, G WEGON test drive, 2025 SUV interior, G-Wagon top speed, Mercedes G-Wagon alternative, luxury SUV 2025, best SUVs 2025, futuristic SUV, armored SUV 2025, G WEGON vs G-Wagon, G-Wagon full review, G WEGON launch, 2025 G-Wagon specs, luxury off-road SUV, powerful SUV 2025, G WEGON exhaust sound, SUV with best features, smart SUV 2025, top 10 SUVs 2025, 2025 car reviews, best new cars 2025, premium SUV, 2025 SUV walkaround, futuristic car design, tech-loaded SUV, 2025 vehicle release, new luxury car 2025, best luxury car features, G WEGON vs Range Rover, 2025 off-road beasts, best family SUV 2025, 2025 SUV innovations, luxury performance SUV, full-size SUV 2025, SUV with ambient lighting, AI car features, new car reveal 2025, 2025 G-Wagon Drive, SUV for rich people, bulletproof SUV 2025, executive SUV 2025, SUV with touchscreen dashboard, best new engines 2025, SUV lifestyle 2025, G WEGON features explained, new car smell test, ultimate SUV review. Link 20 YouTube video hashtags. #G-Wagon 600, hashtag luxury SUV, number 2025 cars, hashtag car review, hashtag SUV review, hashtag off-road luxury, new SUV 2025, hashtag car enthusiast, hashtag tech in cars, hashtag futuristic SUV, hashtag luxury life, hashtag SUV walk around, hashtag G-Wagon, hashtag car vlog, hashtag automotive news, hashtag new car reveal, best SUV 2025, hashtag next gen SUV, auto show 2025, hashtag drive in style.